She also would like a pop-up in the tub as well. That's it's doable. It has a crosshair that would probably let me get it out of there pretty easy. All right, so this was leaking. I tightened it, stopped the leak. However, the pop-up is broke, so I could go ahead and put a whole new sink in there. Plus, it looks like the drain is clogged up a little bit. Could use a snake. So we can schedule both of those. Alright, so we got a clogged drain here, and also a leaking drain. We're going to replace all that, put a pop-up in. So let's get to it, and then we're going to snake it as well. Alright, so we got plenty of stuff in there. That wasn't helping there, that's for sure. That was a lot. Alright, there's probably a lot in there too. We're going to snake this out as well though, just to clear that out. So let's get this off next. So that got it out of there. We got that out. Now we're done with this. There we go. All this cock and stuff, all this bull larky here. We're gonna clean this off real good. All right.
Like the first time I opened mine, like the first time I saw the light of the sun.
All right, after snaking it and I put a new drain in, pop up like she wants. Go ahead and install that in. All right, hole's good. Let's see how it drains now. Pour it back up right away. Now let's see how we're doing. Yep, nice and fast. So we're good to go on the snake as well. We're in the pin trap as well, the stuff that is stuck in there. Yeah, it's good to go. We'll let it run just a little longer just to be sure. And while it's doing that, let's check for any leaks. No leaks, no leaks, no leaks. Everything's good. Okay. All good to go. No backup. Nope. Perfect.
Darkness is the womb of the light, and from the ashes the fire ignites. I transform.